So let's just talk about the AVL tree rotation tricks. So as we know, we have 4 different types of rotations to balance the tree. We have the right rotation, we have the left rotation, we have left right, we have right left rotation. And all of these differents have either single or double rotation. Like an example, in case of the right, we perform one single left rotation. In case of left, we perform one single right rotation. Now in case of the left right rotation, first of all we perform one left rotation to convert from LR to LL, and after that we perform the right rotation to balance our tree. So here we have double rotation. Similarly, in case of the right left rotation, first of all we rotate right to convert from RL to RR, and then we rotate left to balance our tree. So here also we have double rotation. So this can be confusing for some people, whether we should rotate left or right, whether we should perform double rotation or single rotation. So in this video I'm going to show you some simple trick that can be applied to any of these rotations. No matter what type of rotation it is, the trick can be applied and we're going to have the same output. Now in our trick, the first step is to find the median of these 3 nodes, because in the balanced tree or in the resultant tree, so we're going to make this median as the root node. Now the second step is to find the smaller node, and we're going to make the smaller node as the left child. And the third step is to find the larger node, and we're going to make the larger one as the right child. Now we can apply these steps to any of the rotation. Like in case of this right rotation, so the first step is to find the median of these 3 nodes. So because 20 is the median, so this will be the root node in our balanced tree. And then we have to find the smaller node. So 10 is the smaller node, so this will be the left child. And then we have to find the larger node, and the larger node will be the right child. So similarly we can apply this in case of this left rotation also. We find the median, this will be the root node. We find the smaller node, this will be the left child. We find the larger node, this will be the right child. And not just this trick also applies to the double rotation also. We find the median of these 3 nodes, so 20 is the median, so this will be the root node. The smaller one will be the left child, the larger one will be the right child. And that is also applicable in case of right left rotation. We find the median, which will be the root node. We find the smaller node, which will be the left child. We find the larger node, this will be the right child. So if we follow these simple steps, we can easily balance any tree, no matter what kind of rotation is required. So hope you understand about this rotation trick. See you in the next one. Take care.